we'll have a question on the board. You see why I'm keeping my hand this way? Because this question is stored from here to this point. But this question is short to solve. Look at this question. Let's find solution to this question. Now, here they say to the nearest whole number. This question can be repeated in many ways. In fact, under expression, they can ask you to find the same answer. They can ask you approximate express this number to the nearest two significant figure. You can't this is the two significant figure. Then the number that determines what your answer will be is the next figure, the next number, the next digit. The next digit comes after decimal points. Now, another way they can ask you the same question is asking you to estimate this number to the nearest, they said whole number, to the nearest unit. To the nearest unit is completely the same thing to the nearest whole number. So now we have this question. What you do is the number, the first decimal figure is what determines whether you're adding one or not. So since this number is less than 5, we'll round it down. I've taught you about round off. Under round off, we have round up and round down. We'll say what? We have what? Round up and round down. And in round up, it's from any number from 5 and above that is proceeding the number that we are approximating or estimating to. We'll round it up to what? 1 and add. But if it is less than 5, we'll do what? We'll round it down. And so I don't want to make this video long. Here we are rounding it down, so we are not adding anything. Your answer will be 47. But if you are to the nearest 100, to the nearest what? 100. What is 100? This number, if you have thought you have to convert numbers to decimal point, the decimal point comes out as 1. This number is 0. So this one we'll call it, this is 2 over 10, and 0 over what? 100, 6 over 1000, 0.1000. This is 0.10, 0.00, 0.000, which is under 6. So it means under 100, this is what we have under 100. Under 100. So we are rounding up, we want to express it to the nearest this. What number is proceed this, or what number comes immediately after this 100? 100. So the number that comes immediately after it is 6, and 6 is more than 5. So we are rounding up. We are rounding what? Up. Our answer will be 47.2. Now you add 1, remove it. So this will be our answer to this question.